How to change the Microsoft Teams application language. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can change the app language of your Microsoft Teams account. So in order to change the app language, the first thing that you will need to do is navigate to the Microsoft Teams settings. This you can achieve by simply clicking onto these three dots just below your profile picture. So just click onto these three dots and from here simply choose settings from this drop down menu. Now once you have simply selected settings, you will see an interface like this. Alternatively, you can also navigate to this particular page by simply pressing the control and the comma button. Having done that, you will need to make sure that you have selected the general tab, and within the general tab simply scroll down and you can see language and regional formats. Now currently your Teams is following your operating system settings. So if your operating system language is English, your Teams will automatically be appearing in English language. But if you would like to change it, you first need to disable this toggle and then you will be able to edit your app language. So after disabling this, you can simply click onto app language and choose any language that you would like. So here are tons of different types of languages. So you can simply choose the particular language that you would like and then click onto this save and restart button in order to restart the Microsoft Teams application and apply the changes. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.